Hi there, eighth graders. Mr. Kerr here as we get into week 8, our second week of Unit 2. And as we go in here, do want to point out this is your fall break week. We're only going to do days 1 through 3, Monday through Wednesday. Thursday is the beginning of your fall break. It is a student non-contact day, so teachers will be working on Thursday. So if you have questions or anything, you're welcome to reach out to us. But Friday through Sunday, teachers will be on fall break and will not be available. So if you have any questions, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, hopefully you get all your stuff done Monday through Wednesday. Teachers will be available on Thursday, but give yourself a 4-day week and get everything all caught up. You'll see the suggested schedule will be Monday through Wednesday. But as always, you will have the full 7 days to complete everything. So everything is eventually done Sunday night at midnight down here. All right. So let me see here. Make sure you take the quiz at the beginning of the week. As always, the quizzes are take on Monday as a pretest. They are worth very few points. Don't worry about if you get answers right or wrong. Just take notes on everything. Now you have notes. You know what questions are important. You know the important information. Use your notes to help you as a study guide as you go through the week's work. And then at the end of the week, I'll open it up again. The quiz will be worth more points. You can take it again for full credit. All right, that's the plan there. So don't worry about at the beginning of the week. You can only take the quiz once, and that's how it's designed to be. All right, quiz is right up here at the beginning. I'll move it down to the bottom later in the week and all of that. Second week of Unit 2, Expansion, Reform, Compromise. Please be looking back into your grade book and for my feedback and what your grades are and are you missing anything and all that good stuff. All right. Great. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope to chat with you soon, but make sure you're keeping up on everything. Thanks a lot.